and welcome to today's video. We are doing a try-on unboxing of the bi-monthly subscription called Chic Beauty Box. So before we jump into the video, my thoughts, the try-on review. Actually, there was one product in here that I did not try. I'll tell you why. But anyways, friends, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where your girl has drank a lot of coffee, but it's fine because I am productive. Woo. Hi, welcome to the hot mess. Whatever. Anyways, guys, if you guys are curious about my top, it is from Torrid. So is the little cami. So cute, so cozy. Torrid is actually having a sale right now. So if you're like me and you shop Torrid quite often, they give you like Torrid cash. Not sponsored at all by anything. It's my love of shopping. Just letting you guys know about it. So I'll have this link down below for you guys. If you don't have Torrid Bucks, that's fine. They still have like a 25% off coupon, so it's on sale. We love a good deal. Okay, well, back to what this video is about. We're unboxing the Chic Beauty Box, so let's go ahead and jump in on more information and showing you guys everything that's in this bi-monthly box. Okay, friends, so a little information about the Chic Beauty Box. This is not a monthly subscription. This is a bi-monthly subscription. And I told you guys, I feel like bi-monthly subscriptions are wonderful to have because you're not going to feel overwhelmed. So if you're like me, and you do get the monthly subscription beauty makeup boxes, what have you, this one is nice because, again, it's bi-monthly, so it's not going to be too much. And it's actually really exciting because you do get to customize some of the items in here. Now, this was sent to me in PR to unbox and review for you guys, so I didn't customize any of this box. But when you do sign up, they do send you like email reminders to get in there, customize your choices, and I think you guys are going to be really happy with the items that you're going to see in this box. So this box is $34.99. They do have a coupon that you will save, I think, 10% off your first box. I'll pop it up on the screen or link it down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. But you will receive 5 to 6 full-size makeup products every other month for the $34.99. So jumping right into the box, this is what it looks like on the inside. And you guys know your girl likes pink. Pinks and purples, it's my jam. You do get a little card in here, and on the card it does tell you the items that you will see in these boxes. And keep in mind, again, you do get to customize some of these items, which I absolutely love. And I love the fact that you get a nice range of products too as far as the prices go. So the first item we're going to talk about is the one item in here I did not open, only because I have so many open already, and this is a Maybelline Lasting Fix Loose Setting Powder All Day Matte Finish. Had I not had so many different powders open, I totally would have used this, but I am going to keep it, put it in backup. And a little information as far as the price of this product is, it does have a retail value of $9.99. And of course, my battery is starting to go. Okay, so the next item in here is the Too Faced Be My Lover palette. This does have a retail value of $27. This eye look using this palette. This palette is so flippin' cute. It's a great little travel friendly type of palette, but you do get a total of 8 shades in here, and I used actually all of the shades in here except for this peach shade, and I love the way everything performs. I think that we were able to create a really pretty look. And I mean, obviously you don't need to use 7 eyeshadows to create an eyeshadow look. You could have kept it insanely simple and used like 2 shadows, maybe 3, and still got a really pretty look. I do love the pink in here. You guys know, ever since I kind of started stepping outside my comfort zone and getting into colors, I feel like I dabble a lot in pinks and purples. That really seems to be like my wheelhouse of comfortness, but yet outside the comfort, you know what I mean? So anyways, I thought everything performed very well. As far as my primer goes, I do have my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base on, and it worked very, very well with it. And I mean, $27, this box is $34.99. And I mean, already you've made your money. You know what I mean? So love that. Let me change the battery, guys. Let me change the battery. Okay, sorry if the frame is a little off. I had to change the battery, so there's that. But anywho, back to this little palette. I just thought this was really cute, and I don't think that these have been out before. Aren't they kind of new to Too Faced? I could be wrong on that, but I mean, what's new? Okay, so the next item in here is by Nars. When I said we get a variation of price ranges, I mean, that's pretty awesome, in my opinion, to come into a subscription box and you get everything from drugstore price and up. So this is the Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. It does have a retail value of $27. And when I tell you guys, this shade scared the out of me, it scared the out of me. So I went ahead and I applied it, and my first thought after I applied it on my lips was like, hello 90s, my old friend. I mean, I don't know if you guys did this, but remember the Pamela Anderson, like, you know, lip look where it was like really dark and then you kind of glossed over it with like a peachy nude or something, or just a lip gloss? Yeah, that's what this shade brought me. And by the way, the shade is Lonely Heart 2495. So I honestly was like, oh, they messed up. This is a eyeliner. It's not. It legitimately is a lip liner, and you could probably just go ahead and color your entire lip in with it. I just don't have the, you know what, for that. So what I did is I just went ahead, lined my lips, and then I just took an eye pencil and just kind of buffed it in, calmed it down a little bit. And it's actually really, really comfortable. And like I told you guys, you could totally make this a lipstick. I just panicked. Okay, let's be honest, I just panicked. But I did go in after kind of blending it out with the Rakuten luxury lipstick in the shade Oleo Luso, maybe is how you say it. I'm not for sure. This does have a retail value of $38, and the component, I just think the component is so pretty. It's just like a nice, like, crystally kind of plastic component, I guess you could say. And then the color, I just think the color is so pretty. It's just, it's again, back to my comfort zone. Totally. I loved it. Rich, it's creamy, it's comfortable. I wouldn't say it's long wearing. I mean, it's a lipstick, so it's going to fade, but I really liked it. I felt like it went on really pretty. And again, I feel like if I had went back over with this Nars liner, like, where are my 90s girls? Like, come on, early 2000s, Christina Aguilera, like, if you know, you know, you know? And I felt like if I had gone back over this with that, early 2000s, late 90s, boom, there's the vibe. And I honestly kind of like that they paired that together. I don't know if they did it intentionally, but I liked it. And then I finished it off with the last item in here, and this is by Milani. This is a moisture oil lip treatment, and it does have a retail value of $10. And again, the component's really pretty. It's like a grape purple, and then it fades down, and I think it's just the tint of the lip oil in here. And I really liked it, really comfortable. Has a slight fruity scent, I feel like, to it, but nothing too overpowering. And this just says 04 as far as that goes, as far as the shade. Really like it, really comfortable. And I mean, I paired all three of them together, and I really like that, you know, this look, because again, I was freaking out at first so bad with that lip liner, and then brought it all together with the other shades. So that is everything in this box. And again, $34.99 is what this box is going to cost you. And I feel like it's a really good box. Matter of fact, I would say this is one of my favorite Chic Beauty boxes to date that they have sent over. I loved everything in here. And even though I haven't gotten around to using this just yet, I know I have used the Maybelline loose powder in the past, and I did like it. Other brands that you could see in here is the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I mean, what? The Huda Beauty Lip Contour Matte Pencils were available. Let's see here. The Nars 7 Deadly Sins Lipstick Palette. The Clarins Instant Eye Reviver. I mean, there is a lot of high-end brands in this box as well, which I think when it comes down to it, $34.99 bi-monthly, you're definitely going to get your money's worth. And like I said, keep in mind, you get to go ahead and customize some of the items in this box, which I think is something that a lot of people are starting to look for more and more with subscriptions. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Again, I loved everything in this box. I thought it was curated perfect. I'm very happy with everything that was sent. And again, the palette. I thought the palette was such a cute touch. And I'm happy that I got this palette because I already have the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. So I thought this was just too adorable. So anyways, guys, if you are interested in signing up for the Chic Beauty Box, check my link down below. Again, I believe there's a coupon code. I think it's like Hot Mess or it's Rhonda 10 or something like that. But I'll have it all down below for you guys so you can save money off your first box at Chic Beauty Box. Again, thank you to Chic Beauty Box for sending this over my way so I can unbox it for you guys and try the products out. I was so excited. I will also have like a little snippet over on my Instagram for you guys to check out. So make sure you give me a follow there over on Instagram at hotmessmomma4. Also, don't forget to check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, because I do a lot of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. I mean, style hauls. I mean, we are all about like embracing the quarantine curves, dressing them up, not letting the scale and the tag define our happiness, because girl, Lois, I lived way too long worrying about that. I'm over it. I'm in the next journey of my life, and it is not about what the scale says. Just saying. All right, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye, guys.